So this bread maker, if you can remember, has been giving us a lot of trouble. This bread maker, if you can remember, has been giving us a lot of trouble. Remember when this happened?
I think what's happened is that the belt was just stretched out too much. That seems like a considerable amount of play. The new belt might be in order.
And then we ordered a new belt. The belt came in, and then this happened. It's going to be pretty simple. I'm going to put it around the motor, and then we're just going to run it around here. And you can see that has a lot more tension than the last. Okay, let's see what happens to it. So here's what's happening. We've got a weird sound going on. You can see it stalling again. You can see it stalling up there. But the motor's still turning. Now, it's on there. Let's see if we can see what we're talking about here. You can see the wires in there. Right down there, way deep down there. So that when this is turning, hopefully that's going to be enough tension on it to keep it from bouncing around. So let's test it out. Well, I think we solved our problem now. We ordered a bunch of stuff and it came in. Let's see what we got. So let's open this up and see what came. It's a surprise to all of us. Uh-oh, it's a box inside a box. I guess you can almost guess what it is. Instructions. Don't need that.
Put the whole thing out and show the box.
There we go. This will fix our bread maker woes. Wow. So, if we could have gotten another Charles Craft, and I didn't realize how old that Charles Craft was. Apparently, Linda tells me it's got to be 40 years old. So it's done its job. Well worth retiring now. So we got a new Frigidaire. And I can't wait to make some bread.
Shut up and sit down.
We are not reading the instructions.
I made him go pick up the instructions because he didn't know how to get the basket out.
So I tried to pull out the basket thinking it's going to be the same as my old one. And it wouldn't come out. And I'm looking here and there's buttons. So I don't know. There might be electronic lock on it. So Belinda's making me read the instructions.